You saw me. Can you say hi?
Hi.
She's unwinding now.
Unwinding it.
Oh, she's winding back up again.
Yep, now it's winding back up. A little old for the Johnny jump up, but let's see, what is this, 20 months? Erica, what do you say? Okay, getting off here. And there's EJ just taking it all in.
Yeah, watching baby sister use his Johnny jump seat now.
His, yeah, that's right, that's his Johnny jump seat.
Well, it was put up for him. And as soon as he gets done eating, then we'll put him in it. We'll get him on video. Is she going to break that thing?
No, she's going to try.
Erica, try unwinding the other way. Try going the other way.
Yeah, lift up your legs and let it go.
Yeah, lift your legs and see if it'll spin.
Look at that thing all wound up.
Can you lift your legs up?
Oops.
Can you go the other way? Spin the other way. Spin the other way.
No, not yet, Mommy. Not yet. I got to get real dizzy and real wound up.
Okay, lift your feet. Can you lift up your feet?
Both of them. The other one.
Both of them. Lift the other one up too.
I like that.
Lift both of them up.
Yeah. The same time.
Lift them both up at the same time.
Yeah.
See if you can pick your feet up.
Yeah, there's one. Now do the other one.
Pick
Do the other one.
Up too. Here, I'll
Pick it
show
up.
you. Here.
Pick it up.
That could be really good.
Yeah.
Baby out of it. Hang on a second, poor kid gets thrown in the corner. Here. Take this foot up. Hold that foot. Okay, now hold this foot. Hold this foot. Hold that foot. Okay.
Oh, no.
Hang on. Whee! Whee!
You are something.
Who, me or her?
Both of you.
She's going to be so sissy. Look at her. Very good, Erica. Got it on camera?
Yeah.
Can you even see Erica? She's like, oh, are you okay? Are you too busy? Yes, are you too busy? Oh, okay. We unwind. Oh, you're going to unwind a little more there?
Oh, look at that. She's doing that. Yeah.
You want to stop?
EJ is just screaming over there. What's she doing on my swing?
You want to put your feet down?